there, fantastic artists! Welcome back to Drawing and Coloring Page. I'm so excited because today we're diving into a world of creativity together. Can you guess what we're drawing? That's right, it's a super cute fish. So grab your coloring supplies and let's make a splash of color and fun. Are you ready to create some underwater magic? Let's get started. Before we begin drawing, I want you to remember something important. There are no rules in art. It's all about expressing yourself and having a great time. Whether you want your fish to be pink, blue, or even rainbow-colored, it's totally up to you. Your imagination is like a treasure chest, and today we're going to unlock it together. So don't be afraid to try new things, experiment with colors, and most importantly, have a blast. Our fishy friend is going to be one of a kind, just like each of you. Ready to let your creativity shine? Let's dive into the world of art and express ourselves in the most awesome way possible. Are you excited? I know I am. Let's do this. Look at what we've created together. I had an absolute blast drawing and coloring our cute fish with you. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to create art. Every stroke of your crayon or marker is like a little bit of magic. I hope you enjoyed this creative journey as much as I did. Before we say goodbye, take a moment to admire your masterpiece. You did an incredible job.